Alright, today we're going to be working on a cocktail called Between the Sheets. The Between the Sheets is a variation of the sidecar. The history of this cocktail, like a lot of cocktails, is kind of unclear to say the least. One theory is that it was created in the 1920s at Harry's New York bar. Harry's was well known for its risque environment, so to speak. Other variations of the story say it was created in France in the brothels for the lovely working women. Whatever the origin of this cocktail is, it is easy to make and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna start in our shaker. Start with our cognac. We're gonna be using Monet Cognac, VS, 1 ounce or 30 mils. The cocktail typically asks for a light rum, but I'm gonna be using Capali's cacao flavored rum for a little extra oomph in our cocktail. 1 ounce or 30 mils of our light rum. I'm using the cacao. 1 ounce of dry curacao. Typically they're asking for a triple sec, but I think it's gonna have a much better flavor. 1 ounce, 30 mils, dry curacao. Then 1/4 ounce or 7 mils of lemon juice. Add our ice. And give it a shake. About 10 to 12 seconds. I'm gonna take my rocks glass here, drop the big cube into it, pour right over our cube. For a little added flavor, I can put my smoking top right there. I'm gonna use a little cherry wood. Just a little, you need just a little pinch. Down in my, there we go. And give it a quick little torch. Right when it starts to smoke, cover it up. For our smoked cocktail. Typically you're gonna flame an orange over this, but I want a little more flavor to it. Off. Oh yeah. Cheers. Oh yeah, that has a really nice smell to it. A little smoky, a little sweet. Oh yeah. Ooh, the cacao comes forward brilliantly. Just a little bit of cocoa flavor in there, like a little bit of bitterness. The dry curacao adds that dry orange flavor without making it too sweet, and the brandy is absolutely perfect. Try making it at home and let me know which brandy you like to use. Cheers. Until next time, shut up and drink. That is tasty.